The Beaux-Arts Palace that was the Singer Building. Oh, if only we could bring it back. Built cheek by jowl in 1908 with the equally remarkable City Investing Building. And would that we could bring that back too. Yes, horrifically both demolished in 1968. Here's a model of how they used to appear together. And yikes, here's what replaced them. One Liberty Plaza, finished in 1973. The unwanted One Liberty Tower is shown here on this Google Earth image, along with One World Trade Center. One Liberty Tower can also be seen, identified by the red X on this Google map view. And the location of the present One World Trade Center is shown by the purple arrow, and that's immediately north of the 9/11 memorial pools. Here's an unusual view from the south, looking up at the northwest corner of Broadway and Liberty Street, showing both the Singer Tower and the City Investing Building wrapping around the Singer Tower. Here's a rarely seen rendering of the opulent lobby of the City Investing Building, with the elevator bank located in an alcove off of the main lobby, and a very ornate walkway which is elevated somewhat in the 50-foot-high space. Both doomed palaces appear here again in another unusual view of their south facades, and the closeness of the two buildings at this location is also obvious from this photograph. And here's a rendering which was obviously prepared at the time of the building's design and construction. This shows the main Broadway entrance. One can see the beautiful turn-of-the-century outfits depicted on those figures on the sidewalk. Isn't that fascinating? And some very elaborate sculptures surrounding the entranceway. Wow, what a work of art this rendering is, don't you agree? And here's a haunting, gorgeous photograph of the City Investing Building's Broadway entrance shortly before its destruction. What a tragedy. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed, please subscribe to this channel and give me a like. I look forward to seeing you next time on Randolph's Rants.